and bright orange make bold, elegant choices for the mother of the bride. Royal blue whispers timeless grace. Bright orange sings joyful celebration. These colors feel confident and meaningful, ideal for marking a once-in-a-lifetime day. Today on Miss Wow, we'll guide you to the right shade, shape, styling with simple tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's begin your color story with confidence and sparkle. Colors speak before you do. Royal blue signals calm, class, and trust, perfect for evening halls and classic venues. Bright orange beams warmth, fun, and energy, great for sunny gardens or destination settings. If the wedding palette is cool, lean blue. If it's warm, lean orange. Both colors photograph beautifully, stand out in crowds, and celebrate love without stealing the spotlight. Consider the couple's theme and the time of day. Choose fabrics that move. Satin and crepe give smooth lines. Chiffon and lace add lightness and romance. A-line and fit and flare shapes flatter most bodies. T-length feels playful. Floor length feels formal. Consider flutter sleeves, sheer jackets, or capes for coverage. Whatever you pick, make sure the dress is breathable, lined well, and easy to sit, mingle, and dance in. Check for stretch panels, soft linings, and helpful pockets for tissues too. Styling royal blue is pure magic. Silver or crystal jewelry adds cool sparkle. Pearls keep things classic. Navy or metallic shoes ground the look. Try a beaded clutch, a satin wrap, or a lace bolero for modest coverage. For makeup, think soft taupe eyes and rosy lips. Add gentle curls or a sleek bun, and shine without drawing focus from the happy couple. A subtle touch of shimmer photographs beautifully. Bright orange loves warmth. Gold jewelry, nude heels, and a champagne clutch bring balance and glow. Consider bronze cheeks and a soft coral lip. If the dress is vibrant, keep accessories simple. If it's muted, add a statement necklace or earrings. A light shawl or capelet is helpful for breezy evenings. Confidence is key. Wear your smile and let the color carry the celebration. Soft waves complete the sunny mood. Match color to season and place. Royal blue suits winter ballrooms and candlelit halls. Bright orange blooms at beach weddings, vineyards, and sunny rooftops. Day events favor softer shades. Night events welcome deeper tones and shine. Check lighting at the venue, since photos change by hour. Stand beside the couple, complement their palette, and keep harmony across bridesmaids, florals, and decor. You are ready to shine in royal blue or bright orange. Pick the shade that honors the couple and reflects your spirit. Share your questions and favorite looks in the comments. Thank you for spending time today. For dress options, check the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost. Wishing you love, style, and memories on the big day.